Good morning everyone. Today we will be doing exercise 7.3 question number 1. We will learn how to do the divisions problem in decimals. Okay. So now firstly we will do first question. Here what you have to do is 3.2 is given, right? So now 3 is a bigger number than 2, so it means you can write 2 here because 3 doesn't come in the table of 2. So now you have to subtract 1 left, and here you will write 1. Okay, now we have to keep this in mind when you have done with this number. Okay, और उसके बाद में decimal आपके पास में, so you have to put the decimal first. आपको decimal put करना है, then only you will do anything else. Now you will bring 2 down, and then it is simple division, but you have to keep that in mind, that decimal where you have to put the decimal. That's the only thing that you have to keep in mind. 12 come in the table of 2 at 6, so the answer is 1.6 and the remainder is 0. You can put cross also, 1.6. Okay, then you are having this number 9.55. Okay, so this one is homework for you people. Homework. Now I will be doing 41.41 divided by 3. Now 3 we will write, as 4 doesn't come in the table of 3, and then minus, and then we will subtract, and we will have 1 left, and 3 come in the table of 3 at 1. We will bring 1 down. Okay, so here these two numbers are before this decimal, so you have to solve these first. 11 doesn't come in the table of 3, 9 does at 3, so you will write 2 here, and here you will write 3. Now you are having decimal, so you have to put the, after doing this, after solving these two number, you have to put the decimal, so इसलिए decimal आएगा. अब उसके बाद में you have to bring this 1 down. You will bring this 1 down, and then 21 does come in the table of 3 at 7, so your remainder is 0, and here you will write 7, so the answer is 13.7, right? Now this one for you people, 729.9. Let me do one for you. 729.9. Wow, how you will do this one? You have to divide 9. Okay, 7 doesn't come in the table of 9 because it is small, so we will take 72. 72 does come in the table of 9 at 8. Okay, so when you have to subtract, you will get 0. Then you will bring this 9 down. Then again 9 does come in the table of 9 at 1, so you will write 1. आफ्टर सॉल्विंग ऑल दिस 3 नंबर, देन यू आर हैविंग डेसिमल, तो आप डेसिमल अब पुट कर दोगे, पहले डेसिमल पुट करके देन ओनली यू विल ब्रिंग दिस नंबर डाउन. सो 9 नीचे आ जाएगा, 9 के बाद में 9 माइनस होगा, एंड योर आंसर इज अगेन 0, एंड हेयर यू विल राइट 1. So the answer here is 81.1. So remainder is 0. Okay, then this one you can do it by yourself because both are same. Okay, let me do it for you. This one 204.32 8 से. Now 20 doesn't come, 2 doesn't come in the table of 8, we will take 20. 20 doesn't come in the table of 8, so we will write 16, smaller number. Okay, 16 come in the table of 8 at 2, 4 is left, then you will bring this 2 down. Okay, so 42. 42 again doesn't come in the table of 8, you will write 40 at 5. Okay, then you will get 2 left. Okay, then you will bring this 4 down. 24. Now 24 does come in the table of 8 at 8 at 3, so you will write 3 here. After bringing this number, you know that after 4 we are having decimal, so we will put the decimal here. Okay, and here the 0. Okay, then you will bring this 3 down. Okay, as you know 3 is smaller than 8, so we cannot divide it, so you have to bring the second number down together. Okay, so when you bring two numbers together, so what happen is that you have to put the 0 here. बहुत सारे बच्चे ये 0 put करना भूल जाते हैं, so you have to bring this 0 down, 32, and the answer is remainder is 0, and here you will write 4. So the answer here is 253.04. right, this is the answer, and this one is homework. Okay, so these two questions I have given you homework. I will be doing this part for you people. 62.5 divided by 25. Now 62 doesn't come in the table of 25, but we have 50, smaller number than this. 50 comes in the table of 2 at 2, 25 at 2, so 12 is left. Okay, so then afterward, because we have solved these two numbers, we are having decimal, so we will put the decimal. Then afterward 125 will be divisible by 25 at 5. So the answer is 2.5. 2.5 is the answer. Okay, like this you have to do this question. Next question is your how to divide the numbers with 10, 100 and 1000. So the first question is that I am doing for you people is 2.09 divided by 10. How you will do it? You will check the zeros of the number that is given. If there is 1 0 down, so you have to take the jump 1, but this time you have to jump in left side. When you were doing multiplication, you used to jump at right side, but now you will take the decimal into left side. Okay, so the decimal will come here and you can put 0 in front of it. It doesn't matter if you are putting 0 or not, दोनों आंसर सेम होंगे. So 0.209 आंसर आ जाएगा, पॉइंट आके आ जाएगा. Okay, now I will divide it by 2.09 with 100. 100 के साथ डिवाइड करने के लिए व्हाट यू विल नीड इज, डेसिमल से पहले आपको 2 डिजिट्स चाहिए. अब पर यहाँ पे एक ही डिजिट गिवन है, सो यू विल पुट 0 हेयर. ओके, और आपको मैंने ये बताया कि जितनी जीरोज होंगी उतनी बार जंप होगा, एंड डिवाइड के टाइम पे यू हैव टू जंप इन लेफ्ट साइड. सो 1 2 2 साइड पे जंप हो गया, एंड द आंसर विल बी 0.0209, और ये 0 का 0 यहाँ पे. आपको मर्जी आपको लगाना है लगाओ, आपको नहीं लगाना है नहीं लगाओ. Okay, then you are having 2.09 again and you have to divide this number by 1000. अब आपको 1000 से divide करना है. So how you will divide this number now? You have to need 3 digits. अब आपको decimal से पहले 3 digits चाहिए, तो आप क्या करोगे, 0 0 पुट कर दोगे. ठीक है, अब 3 डिजिट हो गई, 1 2 3. नाउ यू कैन मेक 3 जम्प्स, 1 2 3. तो डेसिमल कहाँ पे आ जाएगा, 0.00209. बाकी सारा नंबर सेम, और आपकी मर्जी, आपको 0 लगाना है आगे लगाइए, नहीं लगाना नहीं लगाइए. सो दिस इज़ द आंसर फॉर व्हेन यू आर डिवाइडिंग इट विद 10, 100 and 1000. Then there is 3.45. Let me do it for you people. 3.45 divided by 10. तो आपके पास में अब 1 डिजिट ही है आगे और एक ही 0 है, सो आपको लेफ्ट साइड पे जंप करना है. सो यू डू जंप इट लेफ्ट साइड and you will answer will be 0.345 or 0.345. now 3.45 को 100 से डिवाइड करना है, सो यू विल नीड 2 डिजिट्स. डेसिमल से पहले 2 डिजिट चाहिए, लेफ्ट साइड पे जंप करना है, सो आप 0 पुट कर दोगे. सो 1 जंप 2 जंप, तो नाउ आंसर विल बी 0.0345. आपकी मर्ज़ी, आपको 0 यहाँ पे लगाना है, आपकी मर्ज़ी आपको नहीं लगाना. Then 3.45 divided by 1000 से डिवाइड करना है, सो यू नीड नाउ 3 डिजिट्स. 3 डिजिट चाहिए आपको डेसिमल से पहले, तो आप क्या पुट करोगे, 0 0 पुट कर दोगे. 1 जंप 2 जंप 3 जंप, और इसके बाद में 0.00345, and this 0 we will write in front if it's your wish. Okay, so now again this question for you can do it by yourself. Okay, 76.23. Let me do it for you people. So 76.23 में क्या करोगे आप लोग, 76.23 10 से डेसिमल, अगर एक 0 है, सो डेसिमल का एक आगे आपका जंप होगा, सो इट विल बी 7.623 हो जाएगा. ओके, अब 76.23 डिवाइडेड बाय 100 से डिवाइड करना है आपको. सो 1 जंप 2 जंप, 2 जीरोज़ है इसलिए, सो 0.7623 हो जाएगा. देन यू कैन पुट 0. ओके, नाउ 76.23 डिवाइडेड बाय 1000 से करना है आपको, तो 3 डिजिट चाहिए, तो यहाँ पे 2 ही हैं, तो यू विल पुट 0 1 2 3, और आपका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा, 0.7623 पॉइंट. और ये पॉइंट के आगे आपको 0 लगानी है तो लगा दीजिए, नहीं लगानी तो नहीं लगाइए. So this one is your homework. D and E part is homework for you people. I hope that you people have understood this concept properly. There will be no problem. So bye bye students. Bye bye.